Good morning, students. Settle down, please. Settle down.
All right, let us begin today's class.
Today, we are going to learn about a very interesting topic. We will learn about the internet. It is something we all use every day, yes, for our games, for our studies, but what is it, really? Let us find out. So the first question we must ask is, what is the internet? It seems like magic now. You click a button and you can talk to your cousin in another city. But it is not magic, it is technology. Okay, students, please look here. The proper definition is this. The internet is a global network of computers. Global means all over the world. It's a very, very big network connecting all computers, so we can share information and talk to each other. Now, I will explain in simple words. This is a very good example. Think of all the big roads in our country, the highways connecting Delhi to Mumbai, Chennai to Kolkata. The internet is just like that. But instead of connecting cities, it connects computers. And what travels on these roads? Not cars, but information. Okay, our next topic, the World Wide Web. Now, students, listen carefully. Many students get confused here. They think the internet and the World Wide Web are the same thing. But no, they are different. This is a very important point. Let us go back to our road example. If the internet is the network of roads, then what is the World Wide Web? It is like all the buildings on the side of the road, the libraries, the shops, the houses. The web is all the information, the websites and videos that you find using the internet roads. So let's understand the different parts. Think of a web server as a big library. It stores all the books. You, sitting with your computer, you are the web client, just like a student going to the library. A website is like one full book. A web page is just one single page from that book. And your web browser, like Google Chrome, is how you read the book. Simple, isn't it? Now, if there are so many roads and so many cars of information, what do we need? We need traffic rules, correct? Otherwise, there will be accidents and chaos. The internet also has rules. These rules are called protocols. Kindly note this point. This is a very nice way to remember it. Protocols are the grammar of the internet. In English class, we learn grammar to make correct sentences so everyone can understand. In the same way, computers use protocols to understand each other. You must remember this. The most important protocol is TCP/IP. This is very important, students. See how it works. Imagine you have to send a long story to your friend. Instead of sending one big letter, you write it on many small postcards and number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what TCP/IP does. It breaks big information into small pieces called packets. Then it sends these packets on the internet. And at the other end, it puts them all back together in the correct order. Very clever. You must have seen HTTP and HTTPS in the address bar of your browser. What is the difference? It's simple. HTTP is like sending a postcard. Anyone can read it. The postman, anyone. But HTTPS is like sending a sealed letter inside a locked box. Only the person with the key can open it. The S stands for secure. So when you are doing online banking or buying something, always check for the S. It keeps your information safe. So we have understood the roads and we have understood the traffic rules. But why do we use these roads? We use them for many services. Let's look at the web services we use in our daily life. See this list. We use all these things, don't we? Chatting on WhatsApp, sending emails, video calls with family. We do online classes, which is e-learning. We buy things online, that is e-shopping. Booking train tickets is e-reservation, and of course, social networking. All these are services that use the internet. Let us take one example. When your parents buy something from Amazon or Flipkart, that is e-shopping. And what we are doing right now, our online class, this is an example of e-learning. The internet makes all this possible. Now, most of us use the internet not on a big computer, but on our mobile phones. It is like having the internet right in our pocket. So let's talk a little bit about mobile technologies. You have all heard of 3G, 4G, and now 5G. What are these? It is simply about speed. With 3G, we could first make video calls. Then 4G came, and we could watch videos on YouTube without any buffering. It was fast and easy. And now 5G is here, which is super, super fast. For downloading big files and playing games online, it is the best. Okay, students, we have learned many things today. Let us quickly summarize the lesson. This is what you must remember from today's class. So, let's go over the key points. First, the internet is a huge network, like our roads. Second, the World Wide Web is all the information on that network, like the libraries and shops. Third, protocols are the rules of the road, like TCP/IP and HTTP. And finally, we use the internet for so many services: email, shopping, classes, and much more. Please write this down. So students, today we learned about the basics of the internet. We learned what it is, how it is different from the World Wide Web, and the rules that it follows. Now, your homework is to revise this at home. Go through all the points we discussed, okay? The class is dismissed.
नमस्कार। क्या आप स्कूल में नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं लेकिन सही वैकेंसी की जानकारी आपको समय पर नहीं मिलती? और अगर आप एक स्कूल चला रहे हैं तो क्या आपको भी योग्य और भरोसेमंद स्टाफ ढूंढने में परेशानी होती है? आज यही समस्या हजारों लोगों और स्कूलों के सामने है। दोनों को एक दूसरे की जरूरत है, लेकिन फिर भी दोनों एक दूसरे तक पहुंच नहीं पाते। यही समस्या हमने देखी और इसी से जन्म हुआ schoolcareer.in का। ये एक ऐसा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां स्कूल अपनी वैकेंसी पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और उम्मीदवार सीधे उन नौकरियों के लिए आवेदन कर सकते हैं। यहां केवल टीचर्स ही नहीं, बल्कि स्कूल से जुड़े कई पदों के अवसर उपलब्ध हैं, जैसे ऑफिस स्टाफ, कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर, अकाउंटेंट, लाइब्रेरियन और अन्य पद। हमारा लक्ष्य है स्कूलों और योग्य उम्मीदवारों को एक ही मंच पर जोड़ना। अगर आप स्कूल में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं या अपने स्कूल के लिए बेहतरीन स्टाफ ढूंढना चाहते हैं, तो आज ही विजिट कीजिए www.schoolcareer.in।
क्या आप एक योग्य शिक्षक हैं जो सही मंच की तलाश में हैं, या एक स्कूल जिसे जरूरत है बेहतरीन टैलेंट की? रास्ते बहुत हैं, लेकिन सही मंजिल सिर्फ एक। प्रस्तुत है schoolcareer.in।
दरवाजों को अब तुम छोड़ दो, उम्मीदों की नई राहें अब जोड़ लो। न भटकना है ना रुकना है अब कहीं, तुम्हारी मंजिल का पता है बस यही। स्कूल को चाहिए टैलेंट और आपको चाहिए ग्रोथ। यहाँ खत्म होती है आपकी हर वो खोज। प्रिंसिपल हो या टीचर, एडमिन हो या कोच, बदलो अपनी दुनिया, बदलो अपनी सोच। हजारों मौके लाखों उम्मीदें यहाँ जुड़ती है, तरक्की की राहें अब आपकी ओर मुड़ती है। बस एक क्लिक और करियर है सेट। schoolcareer.in है
आपका सच्चा मददगार। schoolcareer.in सपनों को सच बनाएंगे। schoolcareer.in बेहतर कल सजाएंगे। स्कूलों की दुनिया करियर का है ये द्वार। सफलता चूमेगी कदम, अब होगा बेड़ा पार। schoolcareer.in लिखो सफलता की नई कहानी, बदलो अपनी तकदीर पुरानी। सपनों को अब पंख लगाओ, schoolcareer.in पर अपनी राह बनाओ। आज ही जुड़े, आज ही भागे, schoolcareer.in जहां शिक्षा और करियर मिले।